Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Tinytask versus Autohotkey, which is the best macro in 2025. So if you're trying to decide between the two, it really depends on how deep you want to go. With automation, Tinytask is super lightweight and insanely easy to use. It's basically plug and play, you just hit record, do whatever actions you want automated, hit stop, then you can replay the exact sequence. It's perfect for really simple tasks like repetitive clicks, keystroke, or basic farming in games. No coding, no setup, it just works, but it's limited. If anything changes on your screen, like window size or mouse position, the script can break. So it's kind of good one, for one thing. Two, now, Autohotkey, that's a whole another level. It's way more powerful, but there's a learning curve. It's script based, so you'll need to write some code. But once you get that hang of it, you can create really smart macros. You can set up hotkeys, loops, logic, conditions, even build up an automation system for work or gaming. It takes time. It takes more time to learn, but it's more customizable and reliable. So here's the bottom line. If you just want to click quick and dirty macro or something simple, go with Tinytask. But if you're trying to build complex or flexible automation, Autohotkey is 100% worth learning. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.